Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob. I'm coming to you from home. Right now it's kind of cold and windy outside, and I'm gonna give my new generation smoke generator a try. I got all the ingredients to make it with, and these are usually ingredients or supplies that you can find at home. I got a hot plate right here. I got Kingsford charcoal starter. Has a grill built in already. I got a funnel so I can on top like that. I got 120 inches of 1-inch internal diameter exhaust tube. I got from Amazon for $15. I got some aluminum, fireproof aluminum tape. This clamp came with a hose. I got a little fan to force air up the chimney if I need it. And I got some hickory wood soaked in water for a couple days to provide with the smoke. So let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna add a few charcoal, not charcoal, a few hickory wood in here. This should be enough to test how it looks. Then I'm going to put that on the hot plate, turn it on, and then once it starts smoking, I'm going to put this over like that, and smoke goes that way. Okay, that's the plan anyway. Okay, I plugged it in, put it on high right now. Let's get the smoke together. It's so windy today. I don't think I'm gonna need a fan. It's electricity. Windy today, look. So let's wait until it starts smoking. In just 5 minutes, it started smoking. I'm gonna let it smoke a little bit more before I put the lid on. And I'll take it off of the hot plate. I don't think the hot plate will be necessary. It's so windy today. Okay, smells good with the smell of smoke. It's only 10 minutes after I started. So, let me put that on there, like that. Put this on. Okay, smoke should be coming out from there. There you go, there it is. So this is like a chimney effect, where the heat and the smoke rises up. It goes funnel through the funnel and into the hose right there. Very simple in design. You don't need that much smoke, but it's coming out, see? And the smoke is gonna be cold because you'll be cooled by, yeah, this is not even warm. You'll be cool. Let me put the hot plate on for a little longer until it's really well lit. Then I'll take it off. Smoke's coming out. Smells good. So this is cold right here, totally cold, not even warm. So this is cold smoke coming out. Smells good. I noticed that there is some smoke leakage from out here, so I may tape it when I really need to smoke a turkey. Just tape it with the aluminum tape. Coming out good. That's more than enough smoke. So I will cold smoke turkeys with this. I will I will roast the turkey until done in the oven, and then the next day bring it out, put it on a cold smoker, and smoke for a few hours. Just add the smoke flavor. I will upload a video. Oh, this is good. So there is some air, leaking out from here. Wasted smoke. I'm gonna tape it, seal this rim with the aluminum tape. Next time I do it, it'll work fine. Now I have taken the hot plate off. Let's see if it will sustain itself without the heat. I think it probably will, because the airflow is so well. Air comes in here, goes up there. Coming out. So it works even without the hot plate. And I can probably do without the fan either. I definitely need to seal off the lid there, because too much smoke's being wasted. Good. I'm gonna smoke a turkey tomorrow. Next weekend. Cool. Cheap do-it-yourself cold smoke generator using common household items. So you can smoke whole smoked turkey at home. It's coming out nicely. See? Oh, eagles. Oh, eagles. What kind of eagle are these?